6 forwards on the bench. The 2 backs finds Lalawasa and also the debutant Yosefo Namode. Looking forward to seeing another Fijian 7-star like Namode. Rob Valetini playing his 100th Super Rugby game for the Brumbies.
In the back line, Ryan Lonergan starts at halfback, linking with Tane Edmonds, who steers aside at fly half. Out wide, there's plenty of speed with Caden Pritchard and Hudson Crotons in the centres. In the midfield, David Fuali, and Caden Pritchard. Adam Muhira. Adam.
So the team is making their way out onto the field. Super Rugby Pacific in bar for the first time. Brumbies hoped they can get back in the winner's circle by spoiling the Drua's party in bar.
Whole of Fiji's so proud of you, mate.
Yeah, Dad is here, Manu, so is Mum Latilla, sister, 2 brothers, nieces and nephews. Here's the roar of the crowd for the Fijian Drua. They're 9th on the table, looking for back-to-back wins at home after that stirring victory over that. On the touchlines, Angus Maybe and Michael Winter. History for Fiji Rugby. First ever Super Rugby Pacific game to be played in bar. Isaiah Armstrong Ravula. And the flags go up. Roar of the crowd in bar. First points to Fiji and Drua. Thorne. Yelly, Mew ahead. Putting it through the hands, and now Oates back on the inside to Thorne. Building up nicely here. Crichton needs a bounce. Did he get it in time? Yes, he did. Wow, that's brilliant by the Brumbies.
It's usually a case of deja vu off that kickoff, as you can see here. Simple out the back play, 2-on-1. And it was just a foot race to the end.
9 test caps from out wide with the first attempt for him today, and it's going across the face of the upright, so he can't have the extras. But Vaubrey losing his footing. Lamani flicks it out. Wonga. Antonio Wonga! Unbelievable! The man's got spiders on him.
What a try! The pressure that they're building in attack. Brumbies just couldn't hold on, and you can see that palm. Once you got that fed, you're not stopping that man.
Tough one from out wide. There's the angle for the youngster, and he's got the radar working. He's nailed it.
You're 2 offsides. You've got another one right here on the line. Number 3 is going to go to the bin, please. Number 3, offside.
So he goes to the pocket, and it's Masaki Donge.
I actually think he's having a fair crack at it, yeah.
Getting through there is Thadako Vata.
He's pulling it down.
And it's not going to come out of there. That's a great defensive effort.
The number of that player there,
Couple of metres out now, the Brumbies. Just looking to keep it in tight. Looking to barge their way over.
Try.
Another look at it here. Well, it was just...
Okay, we'll just make sure.
Ruck after ruck, wasn't it?
And that was it. That was... Yeah, that's a result from... which resulted in potentially now 7 points and 2 yellow cards. So they've got the result they wanted, the Brumbies. McPherson with the cakes.
Just ensure that he goes. We just had a clear warning, and there were another multiple penalties, okay? Number 8. Has he gone?
Elia Thadakai Vata. A little bit of footwork from the big man, buying a bit of time as well. And the Drua, the chasers, drive over the top. Great work.
12.
Edmed. Wide ball. View ahead. Up from fullback. And Pritchard across to Crichton. He kicks along and out on the full. So there's a gift 3 points here. Do they want it? No, they want more. And Lamani is going for the line. He can't get there. He's a metre out. So they turn down 3, looking for 7. They're over!
Itching, he was cheering for the Drua from the sideline, and he just ran in, picked up the ball and went over. Elia Thanakavata. What an impact he has had off that sin bin, and well, he's washed away his sins.
Elia Thanakavata signed for the Sail Sharks in the UK. Idea was right, but Pritchard just couldn't control it for the Brumbies. So that is half-time, a very entertaining. But of course they've got some big names ready to come back in the business end of the season, if not before. Second half underway in Bar after a long half-time. It's not going anywhere at the moment. They break away though, and it's over! Oh! Sparked the celebrations.
He was working at the water factory. Here he is scoring a try, going over the line for the Drua on debut.
He must have been carrying big loads at the water factory names, because he...
This crowd is deafening. Armstrong Rabulla kicking across. Nosova flicks it out the back. Drua Sessi acrobatically puts it down.
Eyes up rugby again from Armstrong Rabulla. See, he was under a bit of pressure, but still backed his kick. And it's the hands, the silky hands and pass from the local man, Nosova, to put the man from Nundrunga in the corner.
What a moment for Tongan native Chochi Nosova. Look at this. That's all from Seven's skills. And
Armstrong Rabulla from out wide, and this one is over. Cabaran. Oh, it's been stolen though by the Drua. Although, can they get it out of their own? Oh, and then the ball falls loose, and so it's anybody. It's a try. It has been awarded, and the young man, Toby McPherson, has got a double here much, and so all of a sudden the Brumbies start the fight back.
It was Armstrong there with ball in hand with that turnover, and they've just carried him over. The brute strength from the Brumbies.
Meredith. Crichton. Inside ball. Oh, that's great work from Crichton and also Lonigan. They team up together. Can he slide across? Yes, he can! Ryan Lonigan.
Come on, make a great impact. And it was just simple hands, eyes up rugby. As you can see, Lonigan, since he's come on, he's just made some big impacts and big in-rounds. He just goes over there.
Not successful. So still a bit of breathing space for the Drua, but they'll have to be very careful here. 35-22 at the moment. Samu Zamavadre kicking ahead, needs the bounce. Was he taken without the ball? Does it matter? No, it doesn't, because he popped it up, and it is a try.
They were going to go, and then it was just a little chip that already pre-planned it. Tuindraki gets the ball, lucky, nearly got the penalty. But great hands, silky hands from Drosese, goes over for number 2.
Razzle-dazzle Fijian style rugby, absolutely names, and got the license to move. And they are good with a kick over for another 2 points, Clarkie.
42 points to 22. All of a sudden it's changed just like that. Anderson called onto the bench when Corey Toole was ruled out, and holding on there. They just have to settle it down, and they could have the final say.
No,
still short.
Can't score against the post. Still have the advantage.
Lonigan over the top, nobody in front of Muirhead, and so they do have the final say in Bar, but it's come way too late.
There's no celebration at all, but what a way to finish. Consolation try at the end of, it's been all Drua, but the
on Lonigan. He can't add the extra 2. Full time. And the drought has been broken in more ways than one, because the Fijian Drua have won for the very first time against the Brumbies. History-making day, first ever Super Rugby Pacific game at 4R Stadium in Bar.